Study the following graph carefully and answer the questions given below. These are the total number of students who appeared and qualified from various cities at some management entrance test time. It could be JIPMAT for all we know, right? Look at Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad, 3000 people appeared, only 1750 qualified. From Bangalore, 2250 appeared. These horizontal grid lines are very easy. 2250 appeared, 1250 qualified. From Kolkata, 3250 appeared and 2250 qualified, and so on. Okay, I have for the 5 cities, I have the 5 figures, right? Now, what's my first question? The number of students who appeared for the exam from Delhi is approximately what percent of the total number of students who appeared from all cities together? Alright, first, Delhi, how many people appeared from Delhi? Check this. This is 2500. 2500 people appeared from Delhi, and from the all cities, what is the total? This is Ahmedabad 3000, 3000 plus 2250, 5250, 5250 plus 3250, that would be 8500. 8500 plus 2500 from Delhi, that's 11,000, and from Mumbai it's 3000. 11 plus 3, 14,000. 2500 by 14,000 into 100, this is the percentage. Applicants or those who appeared from Delhi divided by those who appeared from all the cities, right? So this to cancel out, this cancels out. What do we have? We have 7, we have a 5, we have 125 by 7, right? 126 by 7 is 18, 7 18s are 126, we know that. So this will be slightly 17 point something. From all the options, I can see only option 2 comes close. It's rounded off. So let's go with option 2, 18%. Next question. What is the difference between the average number of students who appeared in the entrance exam from all given cities and the average number of students who qualified from all the cities together? Okay, from all the cities, how many appeared? We just calculated that in the previous question. That was 14,000, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14,000 by 5, that's 2,800. Average number of those who appeared from each city is 2,800. Now, what about those who qualified? Check qualified. This is 1750, 1750 plus 1250, 3000, 3000 plus 2250, 5250, 5250 plus 2000, 7250, 7250 plus 2000, 9250, right? 9250 is the total number of students who qualified from all the cities divided by 5. What do I get? 1850. Average number of those who appeared from each city is 2800. Average number of those who qualified from each city is 1850. What's the difference? 2800 minus 1850. The difference is 950. Option 1. Next question. The average number of students who qualified in the examination from Kolkata and Delhi is what percent of the average number of students who appeared for the exam from the same cities? Here, average is actually a little redundant. Why? Here also we are taking average number of students who qualified from Kolkata and Delhi, and we are taking it as a percentage of average number of students who appeared from the same 2 cities. What I mean is, take Delhi and Kolkata for a moment. The number of people who appeared is 3250 and 3250 here and 2500, right? That's 5750. 5750 appeared from Delhi and Kolkata, and how many qualified from Delhi and Kolkata? This is 2250 plus 2000, that would be 4250, right? 4250 by 5750. Can't I simply find out 4250 by 5750 into 100? Why should I take 4250 by 2 is what percentage of 5750 by 2? The numerator is also an average of the 2 cities, the denominator is also an average of the 2 cities. So there's no need to divide that by 2, that's what I'm trying to say. 0 cancels. 585 by 5115 into 100, and further 5 17s by 23, 17 by 23 into 100. This is where we stand. So 17 by 23% is what I'm looking at. Now my options are 60%, 62, 73, 75. I know 18 by 24 is 3/4. 18 by 24 is 3 by 4, 75%. So this looks pretty close. Let's find out 3/4 of 23. What is this? 4, 5 times, 5.75 times. 3 into 5.7 is 17.1 something. So 3/4, 75% of 23 is 17 point something. This is not 17 point, this is just 17. So this should be slightly less than 75%, right? Slightly less than 75% means Option 3, 73.91%.